Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is real numbers. First question is prove that root 2 is an irrational number. Before starting this video, please like and subscribe my channel and also share. Now without delay, let us start. Now first what you should write, let us assume root 2 be a rational number and its simplest form be a by b, and a and b are co-prime positive integers where b is not equal to 0. See correctly, this is 3 marks question. Okay. Now, so root 2 is equal to a by b. Now, squaring on both sides. So, root 2 whole square is equal to a by b whole square. Correct? Now, root 2 whole square means how much? Root 4 is equal to a into a square by b square. Now, square root of 4 is 2 is equal to a square by b square. Now, while doing cross multiplication, you will get 1 into a square is equal to 2 into b square is equal to a square equals 2b square. Okay. Thus, a square is a multiple of 2. Okay. Now, a is a multiple of 2 also. Now, a is a multiple of 2. Next step, b is also a multiple of 2. b is also a multiple of 2. Now, let a equals 2m, we shall take. Let a equals 2m for some integers. Okay. Now, squaring on both sides. Before saying a is equal to b, we wrote here. Okay. So, a equal b square is equal to 2m square. Means here a is equal to 2c. So, b square is equal to 2c square, like that way. So, a square is equal to 2c square, like that way b square is equal to 2c square. Understood? Now, thus, b square is a multiple of 2. Okay. Now, hence, 2 is a common factor of 2. A and B. Okay. Now this contradicts the fact of A and B are co-primes. Hence, 2 is an irrational number. Okay, or another method I will teach you, which is easy, that one you write. So root 2 is root 2 be a rational number. Then root 2 equals P by Q, where P and Q are integers. So Q is not equal to 0. Now, if HCF of PQ is not equal to 0, then by dividing P and Q by HCF PQ, root 2 can be reduced as root 2 equals A by B. Okay. Here HCF of B is equal to HCF of A and B is equal to 1. This is first equation. Okay. Now do cross multiplication this. What you will get? Root B is equal to A. Correct? Now squaring on both sides. What you will get? Root 2b whole square is equal to A square. Root 2 root 4. Square root of 4 is 2. B into B square is equal to A square. Now A square is divisible by 2. Okay. Then A is also divisible by 2. Okay. Now let A equals 2C, where C is an integer. Some will tell integer or integers. Okay. Now root 2b equals 2c. Okay. Now A is divisible by 2. Let A is equal to 2c, where C as an integer. Okay. Now again root 2b is equal to root 2b is equal to 2c. Squaring on both sides, what you will get? what you will get? Root 2b whole square is equal to 2c square. Now root 2 to 4, square root of 4 is 2, 2b square is equal to, here 2 2s are how much? 4, c into c, 4c square. Understood? Now 2 1s are 2 2s are, what you will get? B square is equal to 2cc square, 2c square. Now b square is equal to, this b square is divisible by 2. Okay. B is also divisible by 2. Now here this is first equation. Which one? A is divisible by 2. This is first equation. Okay. See, A is divisible by 2. This one is first equation, second equation. This is first equation. Now what you should do? Now just now we got no B is divisible by 2. This is third equation. Okay. Now what you should take? From second equation and third equation, two is common. Okay. 2 is common factor of A and B. Okay. Which contradicts 1. Means first equation. So from second equation and third equation, 2 is a common factor of A and B which contradicts equation 1. Okay. So root 2 is an irrational number. Hence proved. This is second step. Okay. Now 4 marks question I will teach you. No. This type of question I will teach you. Root 3 plus 5 is an irrational number. Okay. Now you have to calculate you have to prove 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. So this is 3 marks question. This is also, I will write here. See carefully this one. Now let 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Okay. 3 plus root 5 equals P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. See correctly. Prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Let 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. 3 plus root 5 is equal to P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Now 3 plus root 5 is equal to P by Q. Now only you take this root 5 is equal to P by Q. This 3 will become right hand side and it will become minus 3. Okay. Now root 5 is equal to, now take LCM, you will get what? Q. Now this and this you multiply. How much? Q, 3Q. And this and this you multiply. P. In between this which sign is there? P. Minus P minus 3Q. Easy method this one. Understood? Now root 5 is equal to P minus Q by Q you got. Understood? Now root 5 is irrational and P minus 3Q, here 3 I did not write, 3Q by Q is rational. That is as assumed. Okay. So here 3 plus root 5 is equal to P by Q. Now root 5 equals this 3 you transpose to right hand side. P by Q minus 3 you will get. After that root 5 is equal to take LCM of these two. And while multiplying 3 and Q, 3Q you will get here minus sign. While multiplying 1 and P you will P minus 3Q by Q. Now root 5 is equal to P minus 3Q by Q. Now this root 5 is an irrational number and P minus 3Q by Q is rational, means as assumed. But rational number cannot be equal to irrational number. Okay. So, therefore, 3 plus root 5 is an irrational. So, this is 3 marks question. It is easy than previous problems. Okay. So, prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Like this way you should prove. Next one is 4 marks question. See carefully. 4 marks question. Understood? Now look here. Prove that root 3 is an irrational number. Hence show that 7 plus 2 root 3 is also an irrational number. Now if possible let root 3 be an rational number. Now first step is equal to root 3 is equal to, this is first step, A by B, where A and B are integers. For all problems you should write this, and co-prime. And B is not equal to 0. Okay. Now next step, squaring on both sides. What you will get? Root 3 square means how much? Root 9. Here A square, that one right, I will write again. Like this way. Now what you will get? Square root of 9 is 3. A square by B square. See correctly. Root 3 into root 3, root 9. Square root of root 9 is 3 is equal to A square by B square. Now do cross multiplication. A square is equal to 3 into B square. Okay. Next step what to write? Then or you can write like this way also. A square is divisible by which number? 3. Okay. Then A is divisible by 3. Okay. Next what to do? Again another, let a equals 3c for any integer c, for any integer c. Now same, 3c whole square is equal to 3b square. Okay. Now this is first equation. So 3 3 is how much? 9c square is equal to 9b square. Now this and this will go. You will get what? C square is equal to b square. Sorry, here 3 no. Here 3. 3 square is 3 1s are 3 3. 3c square is equal to b square. Okay. Now what we wrote, 3c square is equal to b square. So or since b square is divisible by what? 3. So b is also divisible by 3. Now this is second equation. In first equation this one. Okay. Now in second equation, first equation this a is divisible by 3. Sorry. This is first equation. A is also divisible by 3. Now second equation is b is also divisible by 3. Okay. Now what to write? See correctly from equation first and second. We have what? 3 is a factor of a and b, which contradicting the fact that a and b are co-prime. Okay. Now again, but this contradicts the fact that root 3 is a rational number. To every problem, these statements you should write. You should by heart only this one. So hence 7 plus 2 root 3 is an irrational 4 marks question. See, work out properly by seeing once, without seeing once, and same problems. What is the this is common sentences in these problems? So that and all you point out and work out. Okay, and score more. Thank you.